All right, smart money, SMSFX mentors. So look, as we all know, you feel me? I've been working on a bot, bro. We've been getting it together, right? So we've been getting the bot together. We gathering up, we're testing, back testing, gathering up all the data that we're supposed to have. All right. You got the strategy tester going, full-time overload. You feel me? It is what it is, right? So happy Fridays, man. Happy Fridays, guys. I hope you guys had an incredible and amazing week. All right. Trading week, whatever it consists of. Okay. Hope we got through this week. All right. Now it's time. Look, now it is time to back test everything. Okay. Right. Just because the market is closed does not mean your trading venture is over and you refresh and start back Monday. No. You know what I mean? Just like homework or whatever you got to do, you got to go in and you got to put in that extra work. All right. So you got to put in that extra work, this is overtime. So now we just going back and we strategy, we testing and we seeing how the alerts go off. We seeing everything else, right? We're using the data so that way we can have proven facts on what happens, on what's doing what. Okay. When we just created a bot a week ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, it's not enough data to say, okay, yeah, we can say right now it's a 90% win rate, right? But it's not a year's worth of data. It's not uh, uh, um, a month's worth of data, right? It's not even 30 days worth of data, right? So we have to, you know, get all the kinks out of it, and then it'll be available for you guys to purchase. Okay. Now, I mean, it's available now for you guys to purchase. Obviously, if you want to get in where you fit in and start like learning on what you want to do with it, as far as every single day, then that's on you, right? That's on you as well. Now, all I can tell you is it's hit, okay? And right now, with the markets being and the conditions they are, um, I don't have it self trading, but I do have the alerts on. So when the alerts come on, I can just go and look, and then I can go ahead and analyze it myself and see if that's something I want to do, right? I don't have to just go, oh, it says buy. I'm about to hurry up and run in and get a buy. No, it says sell. Oh, yeah, I'm about to hurry up and go get a sell. No, that's not how it works. That's not what we're doing here. Okay. So now, just to show you guys that it's pretty much running off my bot, I'll show you guys because you can't get any of these signals or bots or indicators until you purchase the indicator suite. You feel me? Once you purchase the indicator suite, you'll be have access to all five of these indicators. Okay. Now, do you need all five of these indicators? No. To be honest, all you need is the SMS um bullish only, and then all you need is the SMS supply zone sell signal. That's really all you need, to be honest. If that's what you know, because all you're trying to do is come in the market and want to know when to sell, want to know when to buy. Of course, these signals are like insane. Okay, they're insane. Okay, and when I say they're on point, they're on point. Now, everything else is just pretty much for understanding. It's for you to have an understanding of what's going on. Okay, um, so by that being said, we're gonna hop into it. Now, y'all know I like to divide my stuff off in vertical lines, which are days, right? So within this hour, I'm looking at 24 candles. Within this box right here, I'm looking at 24 candles. Within this box, I need to see what 24 candles are doing. Within this box, I need to see what 24 candles are doing. Okay. Within this box, I need to see what 24 candles are doing, and within this box, I need to see what 24 candles are doing. Now, to explain the strategy and to show you guys that the strategy is fire and that it works, these arrows right here are just resistance joints. This is just gonna show you where resistance is, okay? So you're gonna when you see these arrows and stuff like that, this is just a resistant mark. So you can come in and you can plot lines on them, however you want to do. Some people do this. They come in, boom, they see a resistance line. They plot a line right there. They see a resistance line. Then they plot a line right there or a box, right? Whatever you want to do. This is so that you can show that, okay, this is the highest point. If price don't get above this point or go anywhere above this point, boom, same thing here, uh, and then et cetera, right? So on and so on. You can see it for yourself, okay? Price don't get back up above. I moved something. Okay. So if price don't get back up above this resistance point or this line here, um, then we know, okay, price is probably gonna be selling off when it gets back up to this level. So it'll probably sell back off, right? And then when they get back to this level right here, it'll probably buy back up. When they get back down up to this level, it'll probably sell back down. Thank you. Um, yes, yes, that's cool. Thank you. So when you guys sell, so when you guys are selling down, oh, thank you. So when you guys are set, probably when they get back to this area right here, the probability of price pushing back down is great, right? Or the probability of when price get back to these blue arrows down here, which is support, which you do the same thing, vice versa, right? You draw the support lines on, obviously, right? And then once price get back to this point, it's probably the probability of price pushing back up is great. You get what I'm saying? Now, not only that, you guys had this gold ribbon, right? You had this gold ribbon field. Now, this gold ribbon field pretty much provides an extra string of resistance, right? All this is doing is just providing confirmations of resistance. Okay, so resistance meaning what? Sell, right? So it's pulling up supply zones, it's pulling up resistance levels, key levels, and it's marking them off automatically for you. So that way you don't have to be spending time doing that, and you can focus on analyzing the charts. So it's something like I'm telling y'all, it's something that y'all really might want to look into for real, for real. If you got the money and the means for it. If you don't, then don't hate. You know what I'm saying? Somebody might got the bread and they might want to do it. Don't hate on them or don't try to tell them, discourage them on what to do. You know what I mean? And I'm not telling you guys what to spend your money on and what to do or none of that either as well. You don't have to listen to me. You don't got to take none of my word for anything. Okay. We're proven that the strategy, we're proven the win rate as well. We're gonna have proof for everything. Anything that you buy from us or get from us or you buy from the store or anything, you're gonna always have proof on what it does, how it works, what reason. You're gonna always have proof of delivery, everything. Okay. I'm not here to get you or scam you, right? I'm going to show up every single day if I can, right? So I wanted to come on here not to rant or not to toot no horns or anything, but I just want you to tell you guys that this is the most important part of the day. Okay. Getting in here and going back and back testing. Okay. So you want to go back and back test your strategy. You want to go make sure that you understand why certain things were happening, why you were doing certain things, why was certain things going on, vice versa. So you want to make sure that you understand these type of things. All right. So that's why you go back and you back test. You use Fridays as a day to go back and look back into time and say, hey, you know what? I could have did this better, right? I could have did this. You know what, man? I could have did this a little bit better. Um, I could have waited before I got into this entry right here, right? It's 100 different things that you could have did to where the situation could have been a little sweeter, right? So that's what we go back and we check. We go back and we look. We make sure. We go back and we back test. Okay, so use today wisely. Don't waste it. Go in, back test. Go back test everything. Go back test everything that you learned, everything that was told for the day. I used to have problems with that, just like, oh man, that's boring. But go ahead and pay. So that way you can go right here and you can click replay. Once you go to click replay right here, you can take it back for the whole week. So we can start right here at the beginning of the week. And that way you can see the strategy outplay itself. Okay. That way you can be like, okay, do it really show up when it's supposed to? Is it doing this? Is it doing that? All the questions that you got and that you want to ask, you can go ahead and back play this and look at it yourself. Okay. Um, do you want to exit replay? Oh no, I don't want to exit, my bad. So yeah, and then you come here and then you push play. Now you can make it as fast as you want. Um, but as you guys can see, we got buy signals all right here. We also got sell signals right there at that key level. As you guys can see these blue arrows that's popping up, they're proving that that the structure is going upwards, right? So it's a high here, it's a higher here, higher high here, right? And then you can see these resistance points as well. You got a high here, but these highs are still higher than this last high. We still got this supporting us in the uptrend, but we still got this is supporting us as a resistance. You get what I'm saying? So every time that these resistance marks come on, they're going to show you, boom, pushing price down. Every time these support prices come, you're going to see price pushing up, trying to elevate to go up. 1, 2, 3. Usually, those are one. We try to count those as legs. So 1, 2, 3, boom. Then we start seeing price push up more. As you can see, this resistance that we've been trying to bust out of, it's having a problem, but it's identifying that for us, letting us know. This is also letting us know, okay, wait, if it don't dip underneath or below here, then we still okay. Now you see it starting to get low and starting to get lower, and we starting to get more resistance, right? We dipped up underneath our ribbon gun. Are we starting to get more buy sales, right? starting to gain some more support. We're starting to see resistance here. So it's letting us know, okay, boom, price is going to start trying to push down, push down. We underneath the goal, we underneath. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Resistance here, price don't get back up to here, price going to continue to go down. Now you're starting to see the 9, price going underneath the 9. You're starting to see price go up underneath the our ribbon, right? Our selling ribbon. So you're starting to see arrows, pointing, going down, going down. So as you guys can see, boom, it's showing you arrows again. It's showing you structure. So lower high, we got resistance all up here. Price ain't getting back up here. Then what else is it doing? Pushing down. Okay. Same thing. We riding this wave right here. So price pushing down again. So now we in this sector where we got buys and sells. That's how we got this box around here. So once price got back up to this point, we sold back down. Price start getting down here. Whatever the case is, it's like pullbacks. But we still looking for sales because we still underneath this point. All right. So SMSFX mentors, listen, go through back test. And if you buy the bot, then go ahead. You're gonna get everything, the guide, every single thing to where you can break this down and you'll know how it exactly works. Okay. SMSFX mentors. I don't want to make the videos too long because I see that people don't look at them. So all right, y'all. Peace out, gang. Hope y'all love this video, man, and I hope y'all continue to practice, man. If you don't know who I am, I'm SMSFX Ken. I'm head of SMSFX Mentor, and if you don't know, now you do know. So tell a friend and tell a friend, and go ahead, man, and join, man. Listen, we live every Sunday, we live every Tuesday, we live every Wednesday. Okay, so go ahead and tap in, and yeah, see you on the other side, the flip side. Let's get it, gang. FYI, I'm not a financial advisor. I built this bot based off my experience. And guess what? It works. All right. So go ahead and try it out, man. Let's get it. Yeah. Everything will be in the description below. Comments. Let's get it.